Did you know the acid in your stomach is so powerful that it could dissolve a razor blade, but your stomach itself stays perfectly fine? Yes, that is right. The acid sitting inside you right now could corrode materials like iron or zinc if it were outside your body. This acid is called hydrochloric acid, and it is one of the strongest acids known to science. It activates pepsinogen into the digestive enzyme pepsin, which breaks down proteins, kill harmful bacteria and pathogens, and aid in the absorption of nutrients like vitamin B12. It is so powerful that its pH can drop as low as 1 to 2, which means it is thousands of times more acidic than pure lemon juice. But here's the real question: if your stomach acid is this strong, why doesn't it burn a hole through your stomach? The answer lies in protection and balance. Your stomach is protected by a thick mucus layer that coats its inner walls. This mucus, secreted by epithelial cells, acts as a barrier that prevents the stomach from digesting itself with its own digestive juices. This barrier is a two-part system. A layer of mucus rich in bicarbonate ions neutralizes stomach acid, while the epithelial cells themselves are tightly joined to prevent acid from penetrating the tissue. The mucus barrier is constantly renewed by your body, so even though hydrochloric acid helps break down food and kill harmful microbes, it never gets the chance to digest you from the inside. However, when this balance is disrupted or hydrochloric acid becomes excessive, such as from overusing painkillers, overconsumption of alcohol, or infection of Helicobacter pylori, the protective mucus layer can become weakened. When that happens, acid can damage the lining, leading to heartburn, ulcers, and even stomach bleeding. Doctors often prescribe antacids or proton pump inhibitors to reduce acid levels and give your stomach time to heal. But remember, stomach acid is not your enemy. Without it, your body could not properly digest proteins or absorb nutrients like vitamin B12 and iron. So next time you feel a growl in your belly, just remember, your stomach is a chemical powerhouse, strong enough to melt metal, yet smart enough to protect itself every single day. If you found this fascinating, like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing facts about your body and the science of drugs.